you've probably heard it all. Teslas catch fire easily. Charging takes forever. Autopilot drives for you. Well, none of that is actually true. Today we're debunking 5 of the biggest Tesla myths that even longtime owners still believe. Stick around, because by the end, you'll see Tesla in a completely different light. Welcome back to Mototech Homes, where we uncover the truth behind the world's most advanced tech on wheels. If you're new here, hit subscribe, because every day, we drop deep dives on Tesla, EVs, and smart car innovations. Now, let's start with the biggest myth of all. Myth number 1, Teslas catch fire. Easily. You've seen the headlines. A Tesla catches fire, and it spreads everywhere online. But here's the truth. Tesla fires are extremely rare. According to data from Tesla itself, there's 1 fire per 210 million miles driven. Compare that with gasoline vehicles. 1 fire every 19 million miles. That's 10 times less likely to happen in a Tesla. Most EV fires make the news because they're different, not because they're common. In reality, Tesla's battery system has multiple layers of protection, thermal management, and instant power cutoff features that stop most fires before they spread. So no, Teslas aren't fire-prone. They're actually among the safest cars on the road. Myth number 2, Tesla batteries. Don't last long. People often assume Tesla batteries degrade fast, just like your smartphone. But here's what most need to realize. Tesla's battery chemistry and management system are on a completely different level. Real-world data from thousands of owners shows that Tesla batteries lose only about 10% capacity after 200,000 miles. That's like driving your car for over 10 years and still keeping 90% of your range. And when the time comes to replace it, which is rare, Tesla recycles over 90% of old battery materials for new packs. So the myth that Tesla batteries die in a few years is not just wrong. It is outdated. Myth number 3, Tesla Autopilot drives for you. This one's huge, and it's one of the most dangerous misconceptions. Tesla's Autopilot does not make your car fully autonomous. It's a driver assist system, designed to reduce workload, not replace the driver. It helps with steering, braking, lane changes, and traffic flow, but you're still in control. Tesla constantly reminds drivers to keep their hands on the wheel and eyes on the road. The full self-driving mode, FSD, is improving fast, but as of today, it's still supervised automation. So the truth? Autopilot helps you drive smarter, but not without you. Myth number 4, charging takes forever. Many people think charging a Tesla means waiting for hours, but that's not the case anymore. With Tesla's supercharger V3 network, you can get up to 200 miles of range in just 15 minutes. And newer V4 chargers push that even further. At home, charging overnight means you start every morning with a full battery. No gas station trips needed. For daily driving, it's not just faster. It's convenient. So no, charging doesn't take forever. It just takes planning. Myth number 5. Teslas are too expensive to maintain. Sure, Teslas cost more upfront than many gas cars. But maintenance? That's where they save big. No oil changes, no spark plugs, no fuel filters, no transmission problems. Most Tesla owners spend up to 60% less on maintenance over the car's lifetime compared to traditional vehicles. And with software updates delivered over the air, Teslas actually get better over time. It's like owning a car that upgrades itself while you sleep. So when you look at total ownership cost, Teslas are often cheaper than you think. So, let's recap. Tesla fires? Rare. Batteries? Built to last. Autopilot? Smart, not magic. Charging? Faster than ever. Maintenance? Surprisingly cheap. Tesla isn't perfect, but it's rewriting everything we thought we knew about driving. If you found this video useful, hit that like button and subscribe to Mototech Homes for more honest Tesla insights and EV news. Thanks for watching. And drive electric, drive smart.